Dear students, once again welcome to second part of years based MCQ type questions. You have watched the first part of it. If you want to see them again, links have been given in the description. Let's begin. The rule of Queen of England started in 1857, 1868, 1858, 1878. Correct answer is option C, 1858. Second one, the period called as the Age of Moderates is 1920 to 1945, 1885 to 1905, 1885 to 1910, 1905 to 1920. Correct answer is option B, 1885 to 1905. Third one, the British divided Bengal in the year 1905, 1906, 1910, 1911. Correct answer is option A, 1905. Fourth one, the British government withdrew the Bengal partition order in 1910, 1912, 1905, 1911. Correct answer is 1911. Fifth one, Muslim League was born in 1905, 1906, 1907, 1911. Correct answer is option B, 1906. Sixth one, the period called as the Gandhian era is 1920, 1947, 1885, 1905, 1885, 1910, 1905 to 1920. Correct answer is option A, 1920 to 1947. Seventh one, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1868, 2nd October 1867, 14th October 1869, 2nd October 1869. Correct answer is option D, 2nd October 1869. Eighth one, Gandhiji went to England for law education in 1888, 1887, 1888, 1885. Correct answer is option C, 1888. Ninth one, Gandhiji went to Natal of South Africa to represent Dada Abdullah and Company in 1888, 1895, 1893, 1894. Correct answer is option C, 1893. 10th one, Sabarmati Ashram at Ahmedabad was started in 1916, 1920, 1921, 1917. Correct answer is option A, 1916. 11th one, Gandhiji launched Champaran movement in 1917, 1919, 1918, 1920. Correct answer is option C, 1918. Number 12, the British implemented Rowlatt Act in 1917, 1918, 1919, 1920. Correct answer is option C, 1919. 13, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on April 12, 1916, April 11, 1920, April 13, 1921, April 13, 1919. Correct answer is option D, April 13, 1919. 14th one, the Congress passed a resolution to hold a non-cooperation movement on September 4th, 1921, September 4th, 1920, September 4th, 1922, September 5th, 1920. Correct answer is option B, September 4th, 1920. 15th one, the visit of Prince of Wales was opposed in 1922, 1923, 1921, 1927. Correct answer is option C, 1921. 16th one, Chauri Chaura incident took place in the year 1922, 1923, 1924, 1920. Correct answer is option A, 1922. 17th one, Gandhiji withdraw the non-cooperation movement on February 12, 1921, February 12, 1922, February 11, 1922, February 10, 1922. Correct answer is option B, February 12, 1922. Swaraj Party was founded in 1921, 1922, 1923, 1920. Correct answer is option C, 1923. 19th one, the British government appointed Simon Commission in 1928, 1929, 1927, 1926. Correct answer is option C, 1927. 20. Montagu-Chelmsford Act was implemented in 1920, 1921, 1919, 1922. Correct answer is option C, 1919. 21. The Congress declared Purna Swaraj on January 26, 1930, January 25, 1931, August 26, 1932, August 26, 1933. Correct answer is option A, January 26, 1930. 22. The Constitution of India was adopted on January 26, 1952, January 26, 1951, January 26, 1950, January 25, 1950. Correct answer is option C, January 26, 1950. Gandhiji declared Dandi March on March 11, 1931, March 10, 1932, March 12, 1930, March 13, 1929. Correct answer is option C, March 12, 1930. 24. The first roundtable conference was held in 1929, 1931, 1932, 1930. Correct answer is option D, 1930. 25. The British government implemented communal award in 1930, 1929, 1932, 1937. Correct answer is option C, 1932. 26. The Act provided for federal structure at the center and regional autonomy at state level was Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1905, Government of India Act 1961, Government of India Act 1935. Correct answer is option D, Government of India Act 1935. 27. Quit India movement started in 1941, 1940, 1942, 1939. Correct answer is 1942. 28. Workers' struggle started in Calcutta in the year 1829, 1828, 1827, 1890. Option C, 1827. 29. Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru founded the Congress Socialist Party in 1935, 1936, 1934, 1933. Option C, 1934. 30. Haripura Congress session was held in the year 1937, 1938, 1939, 1932. Correct answer is option C, 1938. Jawaharlal Nehru died in the year 1963, 1962, 1964, 1966. Correct answer is option C, 1964. 32. Muslim League called for Direct Action Day on March 16, 1947, June 16, 1947, August 16, 1946, August 16, 1943. Option C, August 16, 1946. 33. Mahatma Gandhi was shot dead on January 29th, 1947, January 30th, 1948, January 30th, 1949, August 30th, 1948. Correct answer is option B, January 30th, 1948. 34. The Bill of India Independence took the shape of an act on July 1948, July 1945, July 1946, July 1947. Correct answer is option D, July 1947. 35. Through 42nd Amendment to the Constitution, words secular and socialist were added in the year 1977, 1976, 1942, 1947. Correct answer is option B, 1976. 36. Junagadh joined Indian Federation in 1948, 1951, 1949, 1944. Correct answer is option C, 1949. 37. Hyderabad was integrated into India in 1948, 1947, 1946, 1945. Correct answer is option E, 1948. 38. Pondicherry was integrated into India in 1953, 1951, 1954, 1956. Correct answer is option C, 1954. 39. Pondicherry became Union Territory of India in 1962, 1961, 1963, 1960. Correct answer is 1963. Goa became a state in 1988, 1987, 1961, 1984. Correct answer is option B, 1987. 41. Reorganization of State Commission was formed in 1955, 1953, 1956, 1951. Correct answer is option B, 1953. Mysore state came into existence on October 14th, 1947, October 14th, 1948, November 14th, 1952, October 14th, 1951. Correct answer is option A, October 14th, 1947. 43. Vishala Mysore state came into existence in 1956, 1955, 1951, 1957. Correct answer is option A, 1956. 44. Vishala Mysuru was renamed as Karnataka in 1971, 1973, 1976, 1975. Correct answer is option B, 1973. 45. The American War of Independence took place in the year 1773, 1775, 1788, 1776. Correct answer is option D, 1776. 46. The French Revolution took place in the year 1773, 1789, 1788, 1776. Correct answer is option B, 1789. 47. The Russian Revolution took place in the year 1918, 1919, 1917, 1920. Correct answer is 1917, option C. 48. The UN General Body meeting adopted the Human Rights Declaration on December 10, 1947, November 10, 1948, December 11, 1948, December 10, 1948. Correct answer is option D, December 10, 1948. 49. The Conference on Human Rights Violation was held in the year 1966, 1977, 1949, 1948. Correct answer is option A, 1966. 50. Human Rights Day is celebrated on December 15, December 10, March 15, October 24. Correct answer is December 10. 51. The San Francisco Conference of UNO held on June 26, 1946, July 26, 1945, June 26, 1945, October 24, 1945. Correct answer is June 26, 1945. Food and Agriculture Organization was formed in 1943, 1945, 1946, 1948. Correct answer is option B, 1945. WHO was founded in 1949, 1947, 1948, 1946. Correct answer is option C, 1948. 54. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO was founded in 1947, 1946, 1948, 1949. Correct answer is option B, 1946. 55. International Monetary Fund IMF was started in 1945, 1946, 1979, 1951. Correct answer is option A, 1945. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund UNICEF was founded in 1945, 1946, 1944, 1947. Correct answer is option B, 1946. 57. UNICEF became a permanent body in the year 1946, 1954, 1948, 1953. Correct answer is option D, 1953. 58. UNICEF received Nobel Award in the year 1955, 1948, 1977, 1965. Correct answer is option D, 1965. World Trade Organization WTO was founded on January 1st, 1993, January 1st, 1994, January 1st, 1995, June 1st, 1995. Correct answer is January 1st, 1995. 60. United Nations Organization was officially founded on November 24, 1942, October 24, 1943, October 24, 1944, October 24, 1945. Correct answer is option D, October 24, 1945. 61. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha was formed in the year 1930, 1986, 1883, 1973. Correct answer is option D, 1973. 62. Chipko movement was started in the year 1973, 1975, 1974, 1980. Correct answer is option C, 1974. 63. The Appico movement was started in the year 1974, 1983, 1973, 1980. Correct answer is option B, 1983. 64. The first labor union established in London in the year 1867, 1866, 1864, 1865. Correct answer is option C, 1864. 65. To ensure social security, the Government of India implemented Act in 1925, 1945, 1926, 1923. Correct answer is option D, 1923. 66. Child Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act came into existence in the year 2016, 1986, 1988, 2018. Correct answer is option B, 1986. 67. Child Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986 was amended in 1988, 2016, 2018, 2017. Correct answer is option B, 2016. 68. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act was implemented in the year 2011, 2009, 2010, 2012. Correct answer is option D, 2012. 69. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act was brought into effect on July 12, 2012, May 15, 2012, June 19, 2013, June 19, 2012. Correct answer is option D, June 19, 2012. 70. Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act implemented in the year 1995, 1990, 1994, 1993. Correct answer is option C, 1994. 71. The law prohibiting female feticide was implemented in the year 1995, 1990, 1994, 1993. Correct answer is option C, 1994. 72. Child Marriage Prohibition Act was passed in the year 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. Correct answer is option A, 2006. 73. Immoral Human Trafficking Prevention Act was implemented in the year 1954, 1956, 1955, 1964. Correct answer is 1956. 74. Golden Quadrilateral Highway was started in 1998, 1999, 1997, 2000. Correct answer is option B, 1999. 75. The first railway line was laid between Bombay and Thane in the year 1854, 1855, 1853, 1864. Correct answer is option C, 1853. 76. All India Radio was started in. Correct answer is 1959, 1940, 1930, 1931. Correct answer is option C, 1930. 77 TV broadcasting was started under the name of Doordarshan DD at Delhi in 1945, 1930, 1958, 1959. Correct answer is option D, 1959. 78 Bombay Samachar was started in 1822, 1823, 1824, 1930. Correct answer is option A, 1822. 79 The first modern cotton textile industry was started in 1854, 1855, 1954, 1856. Correct answer is option A, 1854. MCQ number 80. The modern iron and steel industry in India was started at Kulti in 1874, 1875, 1876, 1879. Correct answer is option A, 1874. 81 J.N. Tata, who started the Tata Iron and Steel Company in 1908, 1909, 1907, 1905. Correct answer is option C, 1907. 82 The first modern paper mill was set up in 1932, 1933, 1934, 1936. Correct answer is option A, 1932. 83 The real beginning of the consumer movement was started in India in 1989, 1965, 1975, 1980. Correct answer is 1965. 84 A movement called Aware was started in 1965, 1975, 1985, 1990. Correct answer is option A, 1965. The Consumer Protection Act came into force in India in the year 1962, 1972, 1986, 1996. Option C, 1986. 86 In the history of world consumers movement, this is an important day. March 16, 1962, March 15, 1962, April 15, 1962, May 15, 1965. Correct answer is option B, March 15, 1962.